Multiply your English skills, solving one-step multiplication problems. Hello, learners. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we are going to focus on multiplication word problems. This is an important part of basic mathematical operations, and it will help you not only with English but also with your overall numerical skills. We are particularly focusing on solving one-step multiplication problems today. So, let's dive right in. Multiplication word problems might sound a bit complicated, but they're really quite simple once you know the basics. We usually come across word problems that involve multiplication in real-world situations, like buying items in a shop, calculating areas, or understanding quantities. For example, if you buy 3 apples and each apple costs $2, how much will you pay? In this case, you multiply the number of apples by the cost of each apple. 3 times 2 equals $6. Key phrases to identify multiplication problems usually involve the words each, every, total, altogether, times, and double. The best way to solve a multiplication word problem is to break it down into smaller parts. Here's a quick step-by-step guide on how you can do this. 1. Read the problem carefully. 2. Identify the numbers and what they represent. 3. Decide if you should multiply the numbers. 4. Perform the multiplication. 5. Write your answer in a full sentence. Remember, practice is key to mastering this, so don't worry if you don't get it right immediately. Now, let's try to solve a few problems together. 1. Emma bought 4 boxes of pencils. Each box has 6 pencils. How many pencils did Emma buy altogether? Here, we multiply the number of boxes by the number of pencils in each box, 4 by 6. So, Emma bought 24 pencils in total. 2. John runs 5 miles every day. How many miles will he have run after 7 days? In this problem, we multiply the number of miles John runs each day by the number of days, 5 by 7. So, John will have run 35 miles after 7 days. Remember to practice these types of problems regularly to improve your understanding and fluency. And that brings us to the end of our lesson on solving one-step multiplication problems. I hope this has been helpful and informative for you. Remember, the key to mastering multiplication word problems is understanding the problem, identifying the numbers, and deciding the operation. So keep practicing, and soon, you'll be a pro at multiplication word problems. Until next time, happy learning!